Hey guys, it's your lady again, Royal Pearl. In case you're new here, thank you for stopping by. And please consider to hit on the red subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way you get notifications each time I upload videos. And welcome to the Royal family. So today your lady is going out. I'm going hanging out with friends. I'm going bowling. So I'm actually hanging out with American friends. Just one of them is from the Caribbean. So I made I okay, I didn't make it. I ordered it. The Nigerian puff puff or puff puff. Those of us with the Benin. So they have something here that looks like buns. They call it dumpling. It's different types anyway. They have Chinese dumpling, they have Jamaican dumpling. I have eaten the Chinese dumpling, I have eaten the Jamaican dumpling. The Jamaican dumpling, it used to go with their soup. Like, their soup is just like watery. They put some piece of carrot in it, some piece of potatoes, and sometimes cassava. They call it yuca here. So it's not really filling. So that way, if you really want to get full, you will now get a dumpling alongside. One day, a friend came over to my place. She bought the soup and some dumplings. She was like, "Oh, I got soup and dumplings." I said, "Okay, let's eat soup and dumplings." But when she put them on the plate, it was buns and soup. I said, "God, I don't faint." Up Nigeria. When you never see semo, elubo, eba, akpu, pounded yam. Wait, name them. Now, of course, they use egg roll, they chop soup. Anyways, I eat with her. Actually, that's everything I said on this video, but I realized that the Uber guy was playing music. So I said, not be my video, YouTube go tag copyright. So I had to mute the original sound and doing a voiceover just like the others. I had done others before. I didn't know this one too needed voiceover. So guys, I had said I would like people to see how my friends would react eating puff puff. I would like to know their comments, whether they like it, whether it looks close to their how the ones they know taste. But at the end of the day, everything I said here, I cannot remember them as I'm doing this voiceover. But um I said whatever happened after this video, which you will see, it didn't work out as planned anyways. But I was actually looking forward to seeing how they will eat it, like video them and see their reactions. I will say, this makes sense, because anytime they eat Nigerian dishes, they always like, wow, this taste is second to none. Like, oh, it's heavenly, it's how they always comment good to our food. They always say Nigerians are the best cook in the world. Yeah, one of my friends from the Caribbean told me that, say Nigerians are the best cook, that they know how to season food. Like, their food have good taste, and that's the truth. From what I have known, the people, every other people outside Nigerians, forget it. Some of them, their food are always tasteless. But anyways, I hope they would like the puff puff, because it's something they don't know before, but of course, it's something everybody can eat. Actually, it's made from flour. Everybody eats from flour. When I see the way this sun just disturb my face, I don't change my position. Find the best position and lie. The sun still dey find me. Anyways, what we go do now? Na sunny day, so we go bear am. So guys, this is the place. It's so beautiful. It's so big. Like, it has different sections for different games. It has kids sections, adult sections. Those kids toy cars, those different stuff that kids ride on when they go out. They have different types of them. The place is so big and cool. But unfortunately, guys, my friends said they don't want to appear on my videos because they don't want to be shown out there. And that's what I was explaining here, but just that it has background music, and YouTube don't play with that. So I decided to mute the original audio, or volume rather, the same thing, and do a voiceover. So my friend said they don't want, and you have to respect people's opinion. I don't know how to put it. Yes, I just, okay, you guys don't want, fine. So that way I could know now a video every scene or everything we did there, because when they don't want, and I know I want to put this video out there, I just made sure that I don't let them show my video. Meanwhile, I noticed that this video has one of the pictures, so in case I see big emoji covering those faces, now because they don't want to be shown, if there's a way I can cut it out, I will still cut it out, trust me. So that is that. There are a lot of people balling in there, but not so crowded. That way you have your space. So I could not really video those fun parts, that when somebody gets it right and hits all the bottles, all of us will shout and they, yay, nice job, good job, way, you got it, go girl, stuff like that. And some of us giving high five, giving elbow knock, and all of that. I couldn't video that section. So now, so I see this is what all that you guys got. I'm actually now going to pay for my own game. This woman here tried to do me like mumu, but it did not work. She said I don't need the shoe. Meanwhile, it comes with the payment. It's not like it's a gift. It's a shoe you have to wear when you're in the bowling section, because that place is slippery. As such, they have shoes made for that floor. But she was like, oh, you have sneakers, you're good. But you know, tell me say I'm good. May you deduct the money come off my money. I said, madam, please let me have the shoes. Although I didn't end up using that shoe. I put it under my chair, but at least I took it. The thing to them wise, it was an on shoe. But at the end of the day, you collect all the money, and the money come with the shoe come with the money. So I had to tell her, madam, I beg give me the shoe because. So me, I failed well. I failed a couple of times, because the only time I ever bowled in my life was 2 years ago in Ohio State. I went on vacation and I went bowling. My friends took me bowling. That was the first time ever I had to bowl. Now this kind of game for Nigeria, now trouble the full good drum now. So then my friends, they didn't tell me whether there was any basics or any special, what do you techniques or skill or part, or like they didn't even tell me anything. I think it's techniques, like how you are able to count your steps to make sure you're on the right path, how to do your hand, how to bend your leg, how to throw the ball, what to look out for when you're throwing it. They didn't tell me. So that one I failed. I think it was only on one occasion I got it, right there in Ohio, but that was my first time. So, and it's about 2 years ago, exactly this time last 2 years, that was the time, because I got a reminder from my Google Photos some days back. So it's about this period too. I remember in September from the 17th to 20 something. That was my trip then. So I think on this one I failed. I failed a couple of times, trust me, but I got some after enough lecturing. I know I hope to do better next time, but for today, at least I got some, but I failed a couple of them. I failed more. Then I have one partner that was like me too, but she also got some. And when she got one time, she removed all the bottles at once, like everything. So I think I got it here. Then that's my partner, the one that me and her we are struggling. Remember that people, they are gurus. This one is the most guru of them, or she, the most guru. But I did not show her face because Oma we gualo, gboma ba eri gwale meyi, those of us will be Benin. I know what that means. This video I just use pidgin and English and Benin. Mona bear with me. So right here is the total number we made. Meanwhile, the other group, they took out that before I finished before my video would start. They already took it out. But those people, when we started, they were giving us long gap. But at the end of the day, we beat them. They had 280 something, we had 300 plus. But it's a game, no winner anyways. After all, we just went there for fun. So we're good. We had fun and all of that. But here's me again. Right now, I'm very tired, so I had to sit. You can tell from my look, right? So but this place is truly fun. The screen has a lot of things going on. Even if you come with your kids and you want to do your bowling, your kids can also enjoy themselves without you really engaging them or paying for games for them. Sitting right there with you is just enough. They're going to have a lot of things to view on the screen. Like for real, the place is really a place to visit. It's somewhere in Brooklyn. I can't tell the name, because the name right there is different from the name on Google Map. They said they had changed the name as such. it's the old name that is still showing on Google Maps, so I cannot even remember. It's found something that is written there, but Google Map had something bowling, so at the end of the day it's confusing. I just don't bother, but I know the address. At least that's the most important thing. So showing you the screen again for you to see that a lot is really going on. Like, it's fun, you can just get entertained being there, even if you are not playing any game. You see that, you see different things going on the screens. And if you go there with your kids, I bet you they're going to behave, they're going to sit and watch. So guys, that's what we see. So guys, I'm here on the streets. I left my friends in the bowling center. I left them because they still want to do a second game, and I had to leave because I can't stay with them all through. So right now I'm going to a restaurant. I'm going to pick up dinner because trust me, I can't cook tonight. I'm just going to pick up some stuff that I will eat tonight and possibly tomorrow morning. I cook though. I cook. I'm a cook, so it's not like I'm spoiled. I'm a cook. I cook, but bowling is not easy. Like right now as I film, my hands are hurting. My right hand that I used to hold the ball, it's so paining me from like this part, the elbow, it's painful. The hand is hurting, and at a point I was feeling pains on my back. That's how come I didn't even pay for the second game. So I left them. Okay, I couldn't show you guys how they ate the donuts, sorry, puff puff, if they like it or not. I couldn't show you guys any of those. Two reasons why I didn't make a video of that. Number one, they didn't even eat it before I left, because like I said, I left them, so we're supposed to have those at the end of the game section. So that's number one reason. But that number one reason is not a problem. It's not even a reason. The main reason is that, okay, the first of the main reasons is that you're not allowed to take food into a venue where they sell stuff. You have to buy from them. So we had to take it back to one of the cars that the friends came with. So that means at the end of the games, they're going to share it among themselves and take home. It's a lot of puff puff. You see that, but it's more than 30 pieces. And we're not up to 10. I think we're not up to 10. So let me show you into. This is it. But that's the restaurant. So let me finish with what I was saying before I go in there. You can't take food into a place where they sell stuff. Secondly, nobody wants to be shown on camera. So, in fact, that just killed my interest. And I was like, well, everybody has their own opinion, and you can't disrespect people's opinion. So they don't want to do it. They're adults. You can't make them do it. So right now I'm in the city center of Brooklyn. When I say city center of Brooklyn, this is the main part where it is happening in Brooklyn. Where we went for bowling is quite far from here. It's just in another direction entirely. Wakade my leg today now. Wakade my leg. So wakade my leg. Make a walk around. I'll show you guys what I will be buying. Okay. I'm on the line to get my order. Hello. I want cheeseburger. I want slices of onions on it, like on the side. Slices of onions. Cheeseburger.
Or just a burger?
Cheeseburger.
The deluxe or just the burger?
The deluxe.
How you want it? Well done? Medium well?
I want a medium cooked. And
Cooked onions or raw?
cut onions, yeah.
You want them sauteed or raw?
The
You want
onions?
the onion
Yeah, raw.
raw?
Yeah.
On the side?
Yeah. I don't want the onion ring.
No.
Okay.
Or fries?
French fries, yeah. Then I want cheesecake.
Which one?
strawberry and plain. I want two.
What else?
That'll be it. That'll be all. How much is that?
That's it?
Yeah,
one
straw-
strawberries, one strawberry slice, one plain,
One
and a
plain.
deluxe? Okay.
Yeah.
40-28.
40-28. Okay.
You want the burger medium well or medium?
Medium cook.
Medium? Just
Yeah.
medium, not well? Medium well?
Not well cooked. No, not very cooked.
Would have been like something like that.
I noticed that. Hi, I'm looking for, I don't know if she's on duty. One Nigerian lady, she's young.
She's a server?
Looking for a
Yes.
server. I mean, you can take a look around.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm buying. Heading out. Oh my god, this door. I need my hand to vlog. So guys, I'm done buying. So I'm gonna go back. It's getting dark already. It's dark, not it's getting dark. So it's my crossing. That's why you can see the man walking on the lights. See the walking sign. That's to show that it's my time to cross. So I'm going to catch up with my back home. That's the end of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please share my video, like, comment and subscribe if you haven't done so. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to Royal Pearl's World. Yeah, it's a lady pearl, and consider to subscribe so that you will be part of the royal family. So guys, thank you so much. It's getting cold. I have my jacket, thank God. When it's fall season, don't get deceived. If it's hot, if it's warm, you just feel, oh, it's warm, let me go out. Don't forget to go with your jacket, because when it gets dark, it's gonna get cold and you'll be caught up in that cold. It's not good for your body. So that's all for tonight. I'll see you again on my next video. Bye bye.